Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little different. Normally I do all of my cleaning in the morning time, but on this day I didn't clean at all, so I ended up cleaning my apartment later in the day. Before this video gets started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell also and turn on your notifications. Now let's get back to the video. So like I said, I didn't clean my apartment on this day, so I was cleaning later in the day, and I was cleaning off my couch because I had to wash my blankets because this was around the time that I spilled the coffee all over the blankets when I was drinking it that morning on the couch. So I washed my blankets, and before I put them back on the couch, I just wanted to make sure the couch was nice and clean. So the first thing I'm doing is using this little Swiffer to try to get all of the cat hair off, which you can see flying in the screen. No, that's not ghosts or orbs or anything spooky. It's just cat hair flying all over. So yeah, I'm just Swiffering the couch a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with these antibacterial wipes, and I'm just going to wipe off the entire couch and then put my blankets on. And yes, if you're wondering, I did just sniff the blanket, and that's because it was so fresh and so clean, and I love the smell of clean laundry. So I took a little sniff just because I felt like it. And before you ask, because I do get asked this question a lot and I answer it often, you might wonder, why are you putting blankets on your couch? That is because I have two little cats, and these cats like to use anything they can as a scratch post, and we're just trying to preserve our furniture for as long as we can. So I'm just putting the blankets on the couch to try to prevent them from scratching the couch, even though it doesn't really help that often. They usually find a way, but it kind of helps. So yeah, if you're wondering why there's blankets on the couch, that's why. And now I am vacuuming my rug. I also get asked a lot about this vacuum, so if you're interested in knowing anything about this vacuum, the brand name, the price, where it's from, and all that, I got it from Amazon, and I'll link it down below in case you want to check it out. So I have a random question. Am I the only one who has places in their home that is kind of like the place that you just set everything? Like, I have a few places like that in our apartment, and in every home I've ever lived in, I always have a place like that. Like, the island, as you can see, is so cluttered. There's a water gun, there's a cup, my purse was sitting on the chair. Like, there's always a place in my home where I set everything. As soon as I walk in the door, or no matter what I'm doing in my home, I put things on that surface, and the island seems to be the worst for that because it's so big. I just want to set everything on it, so then my place ends up looking cluttery, and I hate it. Do you have the same problem? Let me know. So now I'm just giving my kitchen a quick wipe down. It wasn't dirty or anything. I just like to wipe off my countertops every day. And normally I do this in the morning, so I don't mind doing it a second time after I cook, but this was literally like an hour before I had to cook, and during that time I was like, oh my god, why did I even waste my time doing that? Because I had to end up cleaning the kitchen all over again after I cooked dinner. So stupid of me, but whatever. So if you're wondering what is on the floor that I'm vacuuming up, it is bird seeds and feathers. I had the birds in the bathroom earlier when I was filming something, so they got bird seeds all over, so I was just trying to vacuum that up quick. And so now I am using my regular vacuum that I've had for a while now on this rug, because I've noticed that my cordless vacuum doesn't pick up the cat hair very well on my rugs. It works really good on the big white rug we have in the living room, but the one in our bedroom and the one right here in this little hallway, or whatever you want to call it, little corner, little spot, the cordless vacuum doesn't work that well with the cat hair on those two rugs, so I just use my regular vacuum. It does the job, and I still love this vacuum, so and it needs to be cleaned out, but yeah, that's why I'm using that on this rug. Yeah, so like 30 minutes or an hour later, I cooked dinner, and here I am cleaning the kitchen all over again. Which, like I said, was stupid, but at the same time, I guess it's okay because it keeps me active, and that's important, so. But yeah, I could have avoided that. Anyways, enjoy me cleaning my kitchen now. Again. So since it was later in the day, now I am making my bed so that I can get ready to get back in the bed. Yeah. So I wanted to show you guys this new little set I got from Lancome. It says Bonjour Hydration. I got this complimentary from Lancome and Octoly for a review, so I was trying it out. It's just this little set. It comes with a toner, it comes with a SPF, a makeup setting spray, and also a rose jelly mask, which is amazing. So the toner smells really, really good, but I didn't have any cotton pads or cotton balls or whatever, so I didn't try it out yet, but it smells amazing. But I'm trying out the rose jelly mask, and this mask is amazing. You can actually leave it on overnight because it's an overnight mask, and it's made with hyaluronic acid, sweet almond oil, and it smells like roses, and it hydrates your skin and locks in moisture while you sleep, and when you wake up in the morning your skin feels amazing. But first I'm just washing my face with my Curology, and I'm also applying the second step of my Curology kit, and then I'm going to apply the rose jelly mask. But yeah, this set is really cute and the product smells so good and I loved it. I also thought the little box that it came in was just so adorable, and I'm having a hard time parting with it because it's pink and it's Paris themed, but I know I need to let it go. And now it's time to just get up in my bed, play on my phone, and chill with Alan. I'm just looking around on my phone on Instagram and stuff. And now I'm showing you guys I'm taking my CBD oil. The CBD oil is so good. It helps me to relax, it helps me with anxiety, and it also has been a big help for me since I've stopped taking all of my sleeping medications. I've been using this on nights that I can't fall asleep well, or I can't sleep well in general, and it really helps. So this is Wellness Co. CBD oil. You put it under your tongue for like 30 seconds, girl, and then that's it. So yeah, it's CBD oil, it's peppermint flavor, and it tastes pretty good. It's just like a light peppermint flavor, and my cat wants it so bad. My cats, I don't know why they want the CBD oil. I'm like, calm down, girl. And then she's like, well, that's what I'm trying to do is okay, I'm just kidding. Anyways, so yeah, if you want to know more about the CBD oil, I'll link it down in the description. And now I'm turning on my Netflix. I'm gonna watch my favorite show right now, which I'm so addicted to that it's insane, which is Wentworth. So good, so good. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. So yeah, here's Kiki. She says good night. She says subscribe. She said gives me a thumbs up. She said leave me some comments, and she said she'll see you next time. Alan, say goodbye. I'm filming. Wave at the camera.